Hello friends, welcome to Civil Engineering exam. Today we are going to see the problem related with soil mechanics in the topic of compaction. So the problem is, during compaction test, a soil mass attained the MDD, that is maximum dry density, is 18.6 kilonewton per meter cube and a moisture content of 15%. Then taking specific gravity of the soil is 2.7. Find the degree of saturation and the percentage of air void. So now we have to find out the S value and the Na value at maximum dry density. So then what will be the dry density corresponding to the zero air void? So now the Na 0 N void, percentage of air void is equal to 0. What will be the maximum dry density? Okay. So now the gamma given value, so gamma D maximum dry density equal to 18.6 kilonewton per meter cube. Then OMC, that is W equal to 0.15, that is 15%. So then specific gravity G equal to 2.7. Okay, so now we have to find out the degree of saturation. Then after that we can find out the percentage of air voids. Okay, so now we can take E into S equal to W into G. So now we know W and G value. So now we have to find out the E value. So now we can take gamma D equal to G into gamma W divided by 1 plus E. Okay, so now we can substitute all the values over here. So gamma D maximum is 18.6 equal to G is 2.7 into gamma W value is 9.81 divided by 1 plus E. So here the only unknown is E, so the E equal to 0.424. Okay, so now we can substitute all the values over here. So 0.424 into S value we have to find out, and W value is 0.15 into G value is 2.7. So now S equal to 0.15 into 2.7 divided by 0.424. So now S equal to degree of saturation is 0.955, that is equal to S equal to 95.5%. So this is the first question answer, that is degree of saturation. Okay, next thing is we can find out the Na value. So the Na is gamma D equal to 1 minus Na into G into gamma W divided by 1 plus E into W. So we know the formula. So now we can substitute all the values over here. So gamma D value is 18.6 equal to 1 minus Na into G is 2.7 into 9.81 gamma W value divided by 1 plus, here is G into W. So here 2.7 into W value is 0.15. Okay, here the only unknown is Na. So Na equal to 0.013, that is equal to 13%. Okay, so this is the second question answer. So next thing is, what will be the dry density corresponding to zero air void? So now we can take gamma D equal to, we have to find out the gamma D value if case the Na value will be 0. So the Na will be 0, 1 minus 0 is 0. So now the formula is gamma, so G into gamma W divided by 1 plus G into G into W. Okay, so now we can substitute all the values over here. So 2.7 into 9.81 divided by 1 plus 2.7 into 0.15. Okay, so now we got the value of 18.85 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay, so this is the gamma D value when the air voids will be 0. Okay, so this is a method we can solve the problem. Again, we will see next video. Thank you.